Hello people, so welcome back to Teja Sarees. So today's session is on Ikat sarees, Potolo designs on Ikats and some twill Ikat sarees. So before that, the one I'm wearing is a nice twill Ikat saree, and let me just explain you the term twill Ikat. So general ga manaku telusandi Ikat sarees, Pochampalli sarees manaki telusu, but this is something new which is mixed ఇక్కత్ వీవింగ్ ట్విల్ తో పాటు ఇక్కత్ పోగుతో పాటు ట్విల్ పోగు కలిసి మనకు వస్తుంది అనమాట. ఇక్కత్ ఫ్యాబ్రిక్ I'm sorry, let me just come again. Ikat and twill ikat mix and a weaving vachi twill ikat andi. It has a nice texture and some fall to it. So this is one of its kind, and the one I'm wearing is priced at 12,800 and the saree number is 12. And today we have a lot of fusion sarees coming up all the way from ikat. So let's get started. So this is the first saree. This is a nice leheria pattern. So this is how it looks. It's a beautiful white color saree. Deeniki vachi manaki manchi maroon red border undandi, contrast border, and you can see this leheria design all through the saree body, where you can see different colors of orange and maroon, and in the border you can see a beautiful border along with the zari border. These are a very new style of ikat sarees and regular ga manam chuse ikat sarees kaadu. So these are something different and new. So this is how the blouse and pallu is. It's a plain blouse with a small zari border for the sleeves and a nice ikat weaving pallu, and this is how the saree looks like. So this is saree number 1. And the price of this is 18,800. Saree number 1 and the price is 18,800. So we have couple of colors in the same style. So the other one is a beautiful yellow color. Yellow with contrast red color border. So this is how it looks. Ee color kuda chaala baagundi. Yellow మీద వచ్చి మనకి leheria pattern orange తో వచ్చింది, with a nice contrast red color border along with the ikat weaving border and a nice gold zari border. Any age group can carry this andi. So this is how the pallu is, and that's the plain red blouse. So check it out, yellow with red color. This is saree number 2 and the price of the saree is 18,800. We have one more color in the same pattern. Look at the saree color, it's just so different. Yes, so this is how it looks. This is really beautiful and in a very nice, a different shade of color. It has మనకి కొంచెం మెటాలిక్ కలర్లో ఉంది సారీ బాడీ, and it's again the same maroon red contrast border, and in the leheria pattern you can see this maroon and orange lines. Ikat style border along with the gold zari border, both sides with the same sort of border. So this is how the blouse and pallu is. Plain blouse with the same zari border for the sleeves. And this is how it looks. This is saree number 3 and the price is 18,800. So moving on to the next concept. So this is the next concept andi. This is a twill saree. Beautiful concept. It's a nice pearl white color saree. Very beautiful and very elegant it's looking. It's a pearl white color saree and you can see the border. It's in contrast red and navy blue border, and the design is completely unique andi. Manaki fishes kanipistayi. The ikat weaving is in the style of fishes. It has a simple border and the saree is completely plain. So these sort of sarees look really elegant if you team it up with a nice ikat style blouses. So this is how the blouse and pallu looks like. It's a contrast red blouse with the same border for the sleeves. These are really lightweight and I guess you can just show a closer view of the sari texture. So this is the sari texture and this is a mix of ikat and twill. Sari texture వచ్చి మనకి సాఫ్ట్ ఉంటుంది అండ్ మనకి జనరల్ పోచంపల్లి ఇక్కత్కి ఉన్నంత స్టిఫ్నెస్ ఉండదు. దే హ్యావ్ అ స్లైట్ ఫాల్ బికాస్ ఆఫ్ ద మిక్స్ ఆఫ్ ట్విల్. సో దిస్ ఇస్ హౌ ఇట్ లుక్స్. ఆల్రైట్, so this is sari number 4 and the price is 19,800. Sari number 4 and the price is 19,800. They are really affordable prices and the weaver's price and so don't miss the collection. We have couple of colors in the same pattern again. They are all pure handloom. Flight mode lo pettanu. Cut chesi flight mode lo pettese. Intro time. Just a couple of minutes guys, let me just get back. Alright, sorry for the interruption. So let's get back. So this is another beautiful color in the shade of yellow and you can see the border colors in red and green. This is also a twill ikat weave.
Unknown caller.
Light mode a bit. Okay na? Video regime ainda? Okay. So this is a yellow sari with the contrast red and green borders and it's also a twill ikat sari and look at the border concept. It's a very beautiful border. The complete elegancy is in the border. And this is how the blouse and pallu is. Manaki pallu vachi zari weaving vastundi veetiki and it's a plain contrast red blouse with the same border. So check it out. This is sari number 5 and the price of the sari is 19,800. So moving on to the next color. It's a nice dual tone andi kalnata saree idi, green tone. Green with a mix of yellow. So this is how it looks. It's a very beautiful shade of green. It's giving a beautiful shine because of the dual tone it has with a mix of yellow. Green kalnata mix vachesi yellow lo undi and the border is in beautiful red and deep navy blue color and the border style is also in fish design. So this is how the pallu is and again the same beautiful plain contrast blouse with the same border for the sleeves. So this is sari number 6 and price of the sari is 19,800. So moving on, here is one more twill ikat sari in a lovely shade of blue. So idu chesi pedda border style and the sari. It's pretty much skirt border style. Look at the combinations. Such lovely shade it has. It's a very beautiful shade of blue only and this is teamed up with a contrast red border along with the zari border and you can see the beautiful design along with this ikat and twill weave. Just show the closer view of the border. So that's how the border looks. It's a big skirt size border at the bottom and a small border on top. And this is how the pallu is. You can see a beautiful pallu in ikat weave along with the plain contrast red blouse with zari border. So check this out. Lovely piece it is. So this is sari number 7. Right, so this is saree number 7 and the price is 19,800. దీంట్లో మనకి ఇంకో కలర్ ఉంది, that's yellow with red. It's the same design as the previous one. The twill ickats are basically very lightweight and very smooth and easy to carry. Any age group can wear this. So this is a nice yellow color with contrast red border. It's the same design as the previous one. So here comes the pallu, beautiful ikkat pallu and a plain red contrast blouse with a zari border. So this is how it looks. This is saree number 8 and the price is 19,800. So moving on to the next concept. So here comes the ikkat saree. ఇది వచ్చి మనకి పటోలా డిజైన్ లో ఉంది. It's a lovely combination of yellow and red. Look at this. It's a kind of masterpiece and absolutely patola designs on ikkat. Lovely collection it is. It's a nice shade of yellow with contrast red border. Along with the zari border we have this patola design. And it's completely multicolored concept since it's patola. And here comes the pallu and blouse. Beautiful patola design on the pallu too. And the contrast red blouse with the same border with the sleeves. So check this out. Beautiful color and combination. You can team this up with white contrast blouse and the contemporary style lo kuttichukuna chaala unique ga untundi. And the saree number is 9 and the price is 18,600. Saree number 9, 18,600 is the price. So next comes a lovely shade of royal blue. This is also an ikkat saree in patola design concept. So this is how it looks. Isn't the design lovely, guys? Chaala baagundi saree idi. So this has a nice traditional zari border along with this patola design. And you can see a beautiful ikkat weave all through the saree body. And this is how the pallu and blouse is. Contrast red pallu and red blouse. It's a plain blouse with a zari border. And this is how it looks. So this is saree number 10 and the price of the saree is 18,600. So just have a look at this lovely stunning piece. It's in a nice half white shade with a beautiful color and the purple color border, and the beauty is completely in this border. Look at the border weaving and design, how elegant and how stunning it looks. So elegant and so beautiful. And here this is the pallu ande. It's a beautiful ikkat style pallu in patola design, and this is teamed with a nice contrast plain blouse in purple color. And you can get a beautiful embroidery done on this blouse or an ikkat blouse too. Ikkat printed blouse purple color lo aina chaala baaguntundi. So this is this pearl white with a nice contrast purple border, and this is saree number 11 and the price of the saree is 15,900. Yes, 15,900 is the price of this, and the saree number is 11. It's a half white saree with purple. So next comes one more beautiful concept. This is also an ikkat saree. This is in the shade of royal blue, and this is with a nice plain border concept, pattu border concept in temple design. This is how it looks. Very beautiful. This is chaala baagundi saree. This is also in the twill ikkat weave. Plain temple style borders in pink, half white and navy blue, and the body is completely in this ikkat weaving style with the plain border concept. And this is how the pallu and blouse is. It's a plain blouse with an ikkat weaving pallu. So this is saree number 12 and the price of the sari is 14,800. Sari number 13. I'm sorry guys, the sari number is 13 and the price is 14,800.
Once again say what is sari number 12.
Guys, the sari number 12 is the one I'm wearing. So here comes one more beautiful sari in a very stunning shade of purple with a nice reddish pink contrast border. This is absolutely an elegant piece. Look at this. Chala bagundi. Sari is very simple, subtle and elegant. This is with a very smart small zari border in contrast reddish pink color, and the sari is completely in deep purple color and with a beautiful ikat weaving on top of it. So this is how the pallu and blouse is in contrast reddish pink. This is the plain blouse with a small zari border. So people who ever want to experiment can always experiment with the blouses for this kind of saris and the దీనికి light grey color like the one I'm wearing. ఇలాంటి color blouse కూడా చాలా బాగుంటుంది different. And the sari number is 14 and the price of the sari is 14,800. Sari number 14, 14,800 is the price. Next comes another stunner. Ikat style in patola design. This is also a twill ikat sari. Look at this beauty. Such a lovely piece this is, and it's giving a very beautiful look. And the colors are completely in pink and purple tones. This is also in a pretty shade. The border is in pretty pink with the zari border. And look at the beautiful ikat weaving on this, and it's really nice. And this is how the pallu and blouse is. The pallu is in completely gold zari weaving and nice plain contrast blouse with the zari border. So yeah, this is how it looks. This is sari number 15 and the price of the sari is 15,800. Sari number 15, 15,800 is the price. So next comes one of my favorites again. It's a beautiful color. So this is the sari. Guys, it's a nice black color sari with a contrast red color border. Look at the design and chala bagundi sari. It's a design of patola with a very beautiful contrast red color border along with the zari and an ikat weaving. This is also an twill ikat sari. So here comes such an elegant pallu in ikat style and a plain contrast red blouse with the same zari border. So this is how it looks. Black with red. The sari number is 16 and the price is 15,800. Black with red combination. So next comes one more twill ikat sari in a shade of nice bright pink. It's a complete self-concept sari in ikat twill. Guys, I'm repeating this again, and these are not the regular ikats that we usually see. These are something different. The fabric texture is completely different from the regular ikats we usually see. These are a mix of twill and ikat weaves which gets that nice shine and elegancy along with the beautiful texture of the fabric. So this is a beautiful sari in pink. It's a completely self sari with self border and self pallu, and it got this beautiful small ikat booties on the sari in white and a nice zari border along with the border style in ikat. So this is the pallu andi. It's a nice ikat weaving pallu again, and the contrast, this is a plain pink blouse with a small zari border. So this is how it looks. Even a white blouse will add a beauty. So the sari number is 17 and the price of the sari is 14,800. So next comes another beautiful white color sari. It's a completely white sari. And look at this sari, and this is also a nice elegant sari. This looks really classy, subtle, decent, and this is teamed with a nice contrast navy blue color border in completely ikat style, and the sari is completely plain, and here goes the blouse and pallu. The beauty is the blouse along with the pallu ande. Ilanti sari ki, plain sari ki, if you can just team up with this kind of blouses, you just don't need any kind of embroidery and simple plain stitching with this kind of blouses will add the beauty. Trust me, it's one of the beautiful pieces we have. White with navy blue. So this is sari number 18. This is sari number 18 and the price is 13,500 and the fabric is ikat. Moving on to next set of collection only, that is ikat with kanchi. Fusion of ikat and kanchi. So just look at this saris only. Such a elegant color, just so unique only. The color is just so unique, and look at the border style. We have this nice Kanjivaram style border along with a beautiful patola design in purple color, and the Kanchipattu border is in red and the patola border is in purple, which is giving us the beauty and the colorfulness of the sari. And the sari color is an absolutely unique shade metallic color ki maniki red mix aithe ye color vastundo, it's something in that sort. And just look at the pallu and blouse. Don't miss this kind of saris, and these are something in stunning pieces and masterpieces which we usually don't find them outside. So this is a pallu in Kanjivaram style, and here comes a beautiful blouse in patola style, ikat patola style. Isn't this beauty? I'm just so much in love with this kind of saris andi. So people who got really bored of the regular Kanchipattus and regular Pochanpallis, so this is one for you. So this is sari number 19. Sari number 19 and the price is 21,800. Sari number 19, 21,800 with a beautiful blouse, pallu and the sari concept. So moving on to the next concept, again it's a fusion of bandhani, ikat and kanchi. I just so appreciate the weavers who are coming out with such beautiful concepts, and we usually get bored of these regular kanchis and regular style of ikats and bandhanis. Now this is a fusion, I must say, and I'm really in love with this, and I'm not really enough to appreciate the weaver who have started this concept. Just look at the sari, and it's a nice bottle green sari, and look at the design, and this is not the typical bandhani technique, but the weaving style is in bandhani and ikat weaving కానీ డిజైన్ వచ్చి బాంధనీ కాన్సెప్ట్లో తీసుకున్నారు. సచ్ యూనిక్ వెరైటీ ఇట్స్ గివింగ్ అస్ దట్. అండ్ లుక్ ఎట్ ద బార్డర్ స్టైల్ ఆల్సో. మనకి డబుల్ బార్డర్ ఉంది, పైన కింద వచ్చి రెడ్ కాంట్రాస్ట్ కంచి బార్డర్ కనిపిస్తుంది, అండ్ ఇన్ ద సెంటర్ పార్ట్ వీ సీ దిస్ పటోలా ఇక్కత్ డిజైన్. ద బాడీ పార్ట్ ఇస్ గివింగ్ అస్ దట్ బాంధనీ లుక్. I'm mentioning this again, and it is not the typical technique of bandhani. It is a design of bandhani inspired from the bandhani design, but the weaving is done in the ikat with a nice kanchi border style on top and bottom, and in between a patola design. Very unique concept. So this is how the blouse and pallu is andi. It's a plain contrast blouse in red color with the same elegant border in kanchi and ikat. And pallu vachi manaki completely kanchi concept lo undi. Kanchi zari weaving to pallu undi. So this is just a sample piece only, and I'm just so much in love with this concept, and we wanted to show you guys, and we're coming up with more sorts of this sort of collection in different colors and styles. So this is how it looks, guys. So this is sari number 20, and the price of this is 22,800. Sari number 20, 22,800 is the price. We have one more nice subtle color in this. Let's have a look. So this is the color I'm talking about. Just look at the color in the. It's a very beautiful and light mehendi green shade with a very stunning contrast borders in red and navy blue with kanchi and ikat style as the previous one. And just look at the concept of the design, and it's again a bandhani inspired concept in the weaving of ikat style. Have you shown a closer view of the design? So this is how the blouse and pallu is. In contrast, red kanchi style pallu and a plain pattu blouse with the ikat and kanchi borders for the sleeves. So look at the color combination, and chala baagundi color. So this is sari number 21, and the price of this is 22,800. Sari number 21, 22,800 is the price. So now here comes an absolute twill sarees. So ippudaka మనం చూసిన sarees వచ్చి ikat twills andi, which is a mix of twill weave and ikat weave. Now these are the sarees of completely twill weave sarees. They look really elegant andi. If you wear, they're such an exclusive masterpieces which we usually doesn't find. Look at the fabric. So the style is a very subtle style, and it's the plain sari style with a nice kanchi style border and contrast color, which is in deep purple. And this is how the blouse is. Look at the beauty, and the plain sari, kanchi pottu border, and a nice zari weaving pallu, and here's the art, ikat weaving blouse. Just imagine wearing this sort of blouse with this sort of sari. Trust me, they look really elegant. So this is an absolutely twill sari, and we just show a closer view of the fabric texture. I'm sure you must be understanding this. So look at the fabric texture and the shine it has got in this. So ilanti texture, ilanti shine manaki twill sarees lo maatrame kanipistundi. So this is sari number 22, and the price is 26,800. Sari number 22, and the price is 26,800. So we have one more few other colors and border styles in the same 12 weaves only. So this is the same color as the previous one. It's just the contrast color in pink. That's a deep purple shade, and this is in nice Rani pink. Let me just quickly show you an open and how the blouse and pallu has come with this. Look at this. Such elegant sarees are these. This is the pallu, and that's the blouse. Beautiful patola design in ikat blouse with the same zari border, and a nice pure twill sarees with a contrast pink color border, zari weaving pallu, and a nice patola blouse along with the same zari border for the sleeves. So this is sari number 23, and the price is 26,800. So next color is a very unique and a different color tone andi. Idi manaki koncham cheeku color lo kanipistundi, and this is how they look. It's a plain sari with a nice traditional style of borders in navy blue and red. Look at the blouse and the pallu. It's a contrast red blouse and a red pallu. So this is how the combination will turn out. So this is sari number 24, and the price is 26,800 only. So all these are pure twill weaves. So we have few more colors in the same style. Let's have a look. So this is another beautiful shade of mehendi green, light mehendi green. So manaki ilanti glossiness, ilanti shine, twill sarees lo maatrame kanipistundandi. The richness is completely in the texture. Navy blue and contrast red borders with a nice beautiful and elegant color in mehendi green, and here comes the pallu and blouse in contrast red. This is a beautiful blouse again in ikat. So This is how they look. This is sari number 25 and the price is 26,800. We have last few pieces left in this. Here comes a nice orange, pink and purple color in the same concept. Pure twill saris in traditional country style borders and an elegant ikat style blouses again. So that's the blouse, that's the pallu, and this is how the sari is. Orange with pink combination. This is sari number 26 and the price is 26,800. Sari number 26, 26,800 is the price. Here comes another unique color. It's a very beautiful in a different color shade and chala different color matram. With navy blue and red borders as the previous one, and that's the pallu and blouse how it looks with the sari. Alright, so this is sari number 27 and the price is 26,800. So those are up to the twill saris only. Now here comes, I'm not opening these saris only. These are completely half white saris with the basic traditional red and navy blue color borders as we have seen in the previous one. Avachi mangi bandhani technique to kanpichai, but this is a complete plain sari. Open chena. Okay. So that's how they look. That's the pallu and blouse. Alright, so this is sari number 28 and the price is 21,800. And we have one more beautiful concept of the same pattern in white color with nice deep purple contrast country style border and a light ash color patola design. So look at the concept. Beautiful combination. And look at the blouse for this only. It's another again a beautiful patola style blouse with kanchi style weaving in the pallu. And that's the blouse. So this is the last piece for today, guys. So this is sari number 29. Sari number 29 and the price is 21,800. So the WhatsApp number is 8341382382. Please do reach us on that, guys, and please do remember all the saris are single pieces only. You're not taking any pre-orders as such because of this COVID situation, but as soon as the situation settles, we might take pre-orders on this collection. So stay tuned for next collection only. Thank you so much. See you. Bye. Take care.